Hello, I like make today homemade chocolate. So what we need for this recipe? If you have it one of those chocolate molds, use it. If you don't, simply use a slice pan and line with non-stick baking paper. So I will use today the chocolate mold. So we just set aside. So what we do is next, we have koffa, which is vegetable shortening, and we need 250 gram of koffa. So it has to be chopped and placed in a medium size saucepan. Then place on a low heat and stirring to make sure it's completely melted. Once koffa is melted, add 10 gram of butter, chopped and mixed together to dissolve butter. Once butter dissolved, set aside to slightly cool down. So next step is take a small bowl and we sift next ingredients. So it's 1 cup of skim or full cream milk powder, 1 cup of powdered icing sugar, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Once shortening together with butter mixture is cooled down, what we do is we add the cocoa sugar mixture and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat together with a wooden spoon for about 5 minutes or until mixture is smooth and glossy. Once mixture becomes smooth and glossy, what we do is we simply place our chocolate mold on a tray, just it makes easier to transfer to refrigerator, and simply pour into cavity of chocolate mold block. So what we do is next, we simply place into refrigerator for about 20 minutes or until set, and we repeat procedure to make it more chocolate blocks. I think it will make around 6 blocks from this quantity, and some of them, if you like, you can decorate it, make some with sprinkles, with marshmallows, fruit and nut mix, or for example freeze-dried strawberries or blueberries, as well as the lollies also. So let's place it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes or until set, and leave remaining mixture at room temperature. Make sure we're able to refill our chocolate mold later to make some more. If you like to decorate your chocolate bar, what you can do is you can place on actual a base of chocolate mold some sprinkles, for example, or use mini M&Ms, smaller type of rainbow sprinkles, snakes, for example, or little miniature bears, gummy bears as well. And another important factor is, if you want to decorate as I do right now, which is we're using actually top for decoration, then you can place for about 5 to 8 minutes in the refrigerator to slightly just set, but not completely, to make sure we're able to still place in and attach our sweets and it's still not that liquidy. place back into refrigerator to set completely. Once all chocolate molds are done, we get about 6 blocks. So what we do is we just cut a slice of it and have a look inside. So you have quite a good texture chocolate. It's like a milk chocolate sort of in a way. Quite easy to break as well. Bring up just a little bit closer. Make sure you're able to have a look on a homemade chocolate blocks. Everything will be in the description box. Thank you very much for your time with me today. Until next time, goodbye.